Question is the voltage and current between the points A and B shown in the circuit are. You have to fill in the blanks. Four options are given to you. One of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2026. Concept, applicability and solution. In this case, there are four parallel branches of EMF. Equivalent will be equal to summation EI upon RI upon summation 1 upon RI. I equal to 1 to that. In this case, four branches कैसे बनी है? Internal resistance 3, internal resistance 3, internal resistance 3, internal resistance 3. इन दोनों का सम देखिएगा. If you move like this, so they will be added one. So 27, 27, 27, 27, 3, 3, 3, 3. Because internal resistance is same, EMF is same, so E equivalent will be 27 definitely. But if it is not same, then this is the formula. In this, according to this, we can find equivalent 27 upon 3 plus 27 upon 3 plus 27 upon 3 plus 27 upon 3 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Otherwise, इनका R equivalent होगा 3 by 4 and EMF will be 27 volt. ये direct oral trick है. अगर different है तो we have to apply this formula. On simplification, this comes out to 27 volt. Now, R equivalent 4 resistance of 3 by 4 ohm. Now, this is 3 ohm plus 3 ohm, 6 ohm. Now, in this case, according to Ohm's law, current drawn will be applied EMF 27 upon 6 plus 3 by 4. On simplification, 27 into 4 upon 27. 6 चौक 24, 27, 27, 27. That is 4 ampere. 4 ampere is the current. इसके across 4 ampere current flow करेगी. तो V 6 ohm के across क्या होगा? According to Ohm's law, 4 into 6, that is 24 volt. According to question, we have to find the voltage and the current. 24 volt and 4 ampere. B is the correct answer. Current and voltage across this will be this one. This formula is important when EMF and internal resistance are different. We can find the equivalent, right? Question is, under steady state condition, the potential difference across the capacitance in the circuit is. We have to fill in the blanks. Four options are given to one of the options correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2026. Now, concept applicable in steady state. Capacitor will behave. Capacitor will behave as open circuit. Second, ये A, B, C, D. V voltage across capacitor will be equal to VCD. इसका कोई रोल नहीं होगा, कोई करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगा इन स्टेडी स्टेट. Right? Now the circuit reduces to this one. This is CD. This is 2 volt, 6 ohm, 2 ohm. According to Ohm's law, current drawn from The circuit will be equal to applied EMF twice volt divided by 2 plus 6. That is 1 by 4 ampere. Therefore, VCD will be equal to I into R. That is 1 by 4 into 2. That is 1 by 2. That is 0.5 volt. Now, according to this, voltage across capacitor in steady state will be equal to VCD. So that will be 0.5 volt. That is A is the correct answer. Right? Next question. In this session, we are clearing the concept of current electricity through illustration taken from JEE Main PYQs on the topics of electric current, Ohm's law and equivalent resistance. If any doubt till now, please comment. Further, we are going to discuss equivalent resistance, how to find the equivalent resistance of the complex circuit. Being very important for all these, it is requested go through the session completely. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Let's start for the question is non-resistance of R ohm and 2 R ohm and one unknown resistance X ohm are connected in the circuit as shown in the figure. If the equivalent resistance between the points A and B in the circuit is X ohm, then the value of X is, we have to fill in the blank. Out of 4 options available, one of the options is correct. Concept applicable in solution. RAB is given to X. That is equal to parallel combination of this. In case this is the series combination, 2R plus X. 2R plus X parallel R. This comes out to product upon sum 2R plus X into R upon 2R plus X plus R. On further simplification, X comes out to be 2R square plus XR divided by X plus 3R. On simplification, we get X square plus 3RX equal to 2R square plus XR. So on simplification, X square plus 2RX minus 2R square, which is quadratic in X, quadratic equation in X. So X will be equal to minus B, minus 2R plus minus under B square, 4R square minus 4AC. 4AC 4 दूनी 8 plus 8R square divided by 2A2. On simplification, this comes out to be minus R plus minus 4 कॉमन लिया 12 हो गया, 12 का 2 रूट 3, 2 रूट 3 2 से 2 कट गया तो बचा रूट 3 R. तो आंसर आ माइनस R प्लस रूट 3R और माइनस R माइनस रूट 3R. Rejected, cannot be negative, therefore X comes out to be root 3 minus 1 into R. This is the answer. Okay. C is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, a wire of uniform resistance lambda ohm per meter is bent into a circle of radius R. Another piece of wire 2 lengths is connected between the points A and B, A, O, B. As shown in the figure, this is the figure. The equivalent resistance between the points A and B is, you have to fill in the blanks out of 4 options. One option is the correct option. Right? Concept applicable in solution. Now, in this case, we have to find equivalent resistance between points A and B. A and B means current will enter from here. ये जाएगी, इधर जाएगी, इधर जाएगी. 3 resistances combination in parallel. इनिशियल की वजह में आपको यूनिफायर सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस यूनिफायर और सपोज 2 पाई आर लैम्डा से आप बाद में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे टू मेक द कैलकुलेशन सिंपलर. दिस इज आर, तो दिस इज सर्कल, this is R, this is R, this is R, this is R. One resistance will be like this, one resistance will be like this, one resistance will be like this. This will be 2 pi R upon 4. This will be 2R and this will be C by 4 into 2 pi R. इनका equivalent resistance A and B will be here. If we multiply by this is the length, lambda से multiply कर दें, lambda से multiply कर दें, lambda से multiply कर दें, we will get the answer, right? So RAB will be equal to 1 upon R equivalent will be equal to lambda से बाद में multiply करेंगे हम, ये हो गया 1 upon R, 2 upon pi R plus 1 upon 2R plus 2 से 2 कट गया 2 upon 3 pi R. On simplification 6 pi R is the LCM, so this comes out to 3, 6 plus 3 pi plus 3 pi plus 2 pi R plus 2, 4, 4. This comes out to be 12. On simplification 12 upon 3 pi upon 6 pi R. Therefore RAB will be equal to, उसको lambda से multiply कर दो, 6 pi R lambda upon 12 plus 3 pi. This will be the answer between equivalent resistance between A and B. 6 pi R lambda, A is the correct answer, right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel City Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.